Hey guys, Max Van here from Sportbike and today we're going over my experience with the Alpinestars GP Tech V2 gloves this past weekend. So first of all, I just want to say that I'm super sorry to Alpinestars for not asking you for permission to wear these gloves this past weekend. I just think it'd be okay to ask for a bit of forgiveness right now. But right out of the gate, these gloves blew me away. And again, I've worn a bunch of other high-end apparel gloves. I've worn Hell gloves, Racer gloves, RST gloves, RS Taichi gloves, 5 gloves, and Alpinestars GP Pro R3 gloves, which are an amazing set of gloves. But these gloves definitely set the bar super high, and there's not going to be a better set of gloves available on the market for a good amount of time. And for those of you who have been to Grattan Raceway, I did a 25-1 on my Ninja 400, which is 2 seconds faster than my previous lap time there. And I honestly think it was just because of these gloves. I had amazing front end control, amazing brake input. I knew what the brakes were doing. I knew if the front end was going to fold. And getting on the gas, it felt a lot smoother, and I knew if the rear end was going to slip or anything. And it's because of all this stretched Kevlar along the knuckles and along the fingers. Allowed everything to move freely. And next season, I can't wait to be wearing these gloves because these gloves are going to be a huge advantage on the playing field.